Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching Restaurant Remake. So today, I am going to show you how to make a very classic appetizer from a chain restaurant. And you have probably had it before at the Outback Steakhouse. And that is the coconut shrimp. Okay, before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping Channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and also hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. So let me show you how to make this coconut shrimp at home. Alright, I'm going to show you how to prepare the coconut shrimp dipping sauce first. First of all, we have orange marmalade here, half a cup. And you want to microwave this for 30 seconds so then you completely melt down the jelly texture of the orange marmalade. So then it's liquefied like this. It's just a little bit easier for us to combine every ingredients here for the dipping sauce. Alright, so we're gonna transfer this over to our bowl here. So I have a 2-cup container here, so this will hold everything, and then we can put it in the fridge later before we serve it. And then you have 1/4 cup of the honey. And we're also gonna transfer that into our container. Alright, then we're gonna add in our cayenne pepper. So I have half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So that just gives it a little kick when we dip it. So that's gonna be very tasty. And then we have our 1/4 cup of the Dijon mustard here. All right, so we're gonna stir and combine everything. And finally, for some extra kick, we're gonna drop 3 to 4 drops of the Tabasco. So I did 4 drops here. And mix everything together. And that's gonna be our dipping sauce for our coconut shrimp. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side before we serve our coconut shrimp. Okay, here's our ingredients to make our coconut shrimp for the Outback Steakhouse coconut shrimp. So I have some shrimp here, which I peeled and deveined and washed and dried on the side here. Altogether, I have 14 pieces here. And I have a cup of ice cold water. Okay, so I have half a cup of flour. I have half a cup of cornstarch. I have half a teaspoon of salt here, and half a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper here. I have 1 teaspoon of salt here, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I have 1 cup of the shredded coconut. I have 1 cup of the shredded coconut here. Okay, so let's get started with our batter. So I'm gonna put the shrimp on the side here. We're gonna start out with our dry ingredients in a mixing bowl, except for the coconut, the shredded coconut. We're gonna put that on the side here. We're gonna take out flour, cornstarch, salt, cayenne pepper, mix it all in together first. Okay, now we're gonna add in 1 cup of ice cold water. And we're gonna mix our batter here. And we're also gonna add in 2 tablespoons of oil here. I'm using olive oil. All right, so the setup is that we have our shrimp here, and then we're gonna dip it into our batter. All right, just like this. It's a very light batter, okay? So it's gonna be very runny, and that's fine. And then we're gonna dip it over here with our coconut, and that's it, that's 1. All right, so we have 14 altogether. We're gonna dip, transfer it over to our coconut, the shredded coconut, and place. So we can even use, both hands here. Dip, kind of drain out the extra liquid. All right, I'm gonna do 6. I'm gonna fry 6 at a time. And I just wanna show you here, after we do this, we wanna put it in our fryer right away. So you might hear some of my background noise right now. The fryer is ready, and we're gonna fry them right away. All right, so one at a time. Alright, look how nice it is. Okay, just give it a couple more seconds. Alright, let's take them out. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to plate it. I decided to go with a rectangular plates here. And I'm just going to simply transfer them over. Alright, so these are the wild-caught jumbo shrimp. Alright, so the good thing about cooking it at home is that you can decide to go, you know, if you want wild-caught or farm raised. I usually go with the wild caught, and we want a sizable shrimp here, so I usually do a jumbo shrimp. So look how nice it is, and put the sauce in the middle, and that's the sauce that I showed you earlier. I hope you enjoyed this episode on the coconut shrimp. Feel free to let me know what your favorite dish at the Outback Steakhouse. Please comment below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.